Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jason Nike back with another video, and in today's video I am showing you guys how I made my YouTube intro, how I uploaded music to the intro, and how I upload on YouTube. These were 3 very specific requests on a few of my last videos, so here you guys are. And I am starting out with just a blank template, of course, going on Canva, searching up YouTube intro, starting with a blank canvas. And I'm just really starting my intro over from scratch because you guys wanted that. So I'm starting with that black and white marble background, and I don't know why it took so long for it to get like that, but my computer was severely lagging, so don't think that it's you guys' laptops or computers or devices. Whenever you see this video, it is me. So I am going with butterfly elements that I use in the background of my video as well. Pretty much everything that I use for my intro has already been used in my recently used on Canva, so that's pretty much where I am grabbing from. But just to give you guys some keywords, whatever you want to search up on Canva, they have it. And I ended up getting the Canva Pro back, so now I have a plethora of elements, text, backgrounds, everything to choose from because I got Canva Pro again. And so pretty much everything that I'm doing in this video is me just using what I recently used and then just animating things, and pretty much everything is right there in your face. So I don't really want to talk that much during this tutorial or me making the video, but when it is time for me to actually upload the video to YouTube or do like a mock upload to YouTube and stuff like that, then I'm going to come back and tell you guys exactly what I've done. So here I am saving the video as an MP4. Now I don't have editing software on my laptop, so I just usually save videos on my phone because I have Canva downloaded to my phone. But if you have an iPad, MacBook Air, or any software that has your editing app that you will be using to edit your video, then go on and save it on there. But I just saved mine on my phone. So now we are switching over to iMovie, which I am just going to show you guys how I put the video in iMovie, which is all of my videos, and then how I add the music. Now I won't be playing the music because as far as I know, it is not copyrighted because it's just the instrumental, but you guys will hear the instrumental in the beginning of my video. But when it is time for me to add the music to the video, and how you add music to any video on iMovie is if you screen record the music, as soon as the screen recording is saved, you're going to go to moments and then click on the video, which I screen recorded from YouTube, and then click on audio only. That is how you add it to the parts of your videos that you want, and I do this with every piece of music that is going to be added to my videos, and that is how I get my music on iMovie to correlate with my videos. And you can trim the music down to the size that you want, and you can also trim the music down to like fade it away, you know, like how the end of the songs are and they fade away. And that's what you're going to see me do as well, because I'm fading it now so it could just have a smooth transition on into the next part of the video. So now that the video is saved, I'm just exporting the file to my actual pictures and stuff, but it just gives you many different options where you can save the video to. So I'm just using the pictures options because that's pretty much all of my videos go to. And then since the video is only 18 seconds, it doesn't take any amount of time to just save that video to your files or your pictures. But if the video is a little bit longer, like maybe 10 plus minutes longer, it could take longer. So now I am in the YouTube app and I'm just uploading this intro just to show you guys how I do it. I'm creating a fake title, fake description, and then on visibility you can choose whether you want it to be public, whether you want to schedule it. Now me, I just schedule my videos and then just wait till the next day. But since this video is made impromptu, then I'm just going to upload it during the same day. So basically I'm just doing everything like how I would upload a video with this intro, just to show you guys how much the YouTube has to offer when it comes to editing your videos and actually making sure that you upload it. So now we are getting it uploaded, and then I'm going to switch over to my YouTube Studio app. So if you don't have the YouTube Studio app, I highly recommend that you get it, because not only can you download it on your laptop or computer or what have you, but you can also have it on your phone, and it not only correlates with what your video is doing live on YouTube, but you can see all your analytics and everything like that in YouTube Studio in real time. And no, this video isn't sponsored, but I'm just showing you guys you can put restrictions on your videos if the videos are made for children. If not, and like I said, since this was an 18-second video, this video uploaded in no time. So if you have videos that are longer than 10 minutes, which normally mine are, then it will take a while. Sometimes this has even taken up to like maybe 2 or 3 hours for me. But you know, this is how it works. And then I also generated my own little impromptu thumbnail just to put on the video as well, just to give you guys a explanation of how I do everything, since a lot of people have been asking me on YouTube and off of YouTube. So I really hope that this information has really been helpful for you guys, because it's super simple. But I do understand when you are first starting out, you really don't, or you can't get the gist of a lot of things. So hopefully that helps. And with tags, just to make sure that they're tagged, just always put a comma after it, and then it generates into a tag. So now that the video is uploaded, it is in my YouTube studio, and if your video is made public or scheduled at a certain time and people start watching it, you can see how many people watched it, how many people subscribed, and everything like that. And then I'm just showing you guys how it looks once it is uploaded. You can view it multiple times, and it looks really neat and clean cut and everything like that. And then boom, your video is uploaded to YouTube, and people can start watching your content that you put out to the world. So I hope that this really honestly helped whoever it helped. And since this video is not, or the video in the demonstration is not an actual video I'm uploading, I just deleted it, but you guys will be seeing all of that the whole process and everything. But I hope this video was very, very informative to you guys, very helpful, maybe even entertaining a little bit, and I will see you guys in the next one.